Hello YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to go over some key elements that can help you optimize your growing space in the garden. Let's get started. So the first thing is the chicken wire mesh that forms a perimeter around my garden to keep away deer and rabbits from getting into the garden and destroying my plants. I hang that mesh around the garden using these 6-foot stakes. These are my garden beds themselves with garden soil and other amendments. These metallic structures are called cattle panels, and the brown tubing you see in this video is part of my the drip irrigation system, which is what I use to water my plants in the garden. This garden bed is a narrower version of the beds that we saw earlier. I just had to cut some pieces at the edge pieces and fit them to shape using some screws. And last but not least, these are my grow bags. I'm growing a couple of varieties of grapes in them, so hopefully we can enjoy some sweet treats later this season. That's it for this edition. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the video. Thank you.